Welcome to Techeliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a timeline on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint and then open up any document. You can see in my document there are some text. At first just select your all the text and then right click on mouse. Now you have to use Smart Art option to create timeline. So just click on convert to Smart Art and from here choose any design as you like. Also, if you want to get more graphics, just click on more Smart Art graphics option and from here choose any design as you want. If I select it and then click on OK and it's done. You can see a timeline has been created successfully. Now if you want to customize your timeline, just select it and then click on Smart Art Design tab, and from here you can change your Smart Art style, layouts, and you can customize anything as you want. Also, if I select another document, if you want to create this timeline, just select your all the text and then right click on mouse again, then click on convert to Smart Art and then choose any style, and that's it. You can see it's created successfully. And that is how you can create a timeline on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.